Hi, this is Megan.
And this is Morgan.
And today we're going to be talking about competent delivery styles.
There are several methods of competent delivery, each with their own pros and cons. The first style of delivery is manuscript speaking. Manuscript speaking is reading from a written, full, complete speech, completely without diversion and without improvisation. This is a great form of speaking if you are in a political setting or something where accuracy and detail and inflection are very important. The cons of this is needing a lot of time for memorization, as it is very, very important to get all that information down. But you thankfully are supported by notes. Probably the most historic speech of manuscript speaking would be the I Have a Dream speech by Dr. Martin Luther King.
The next style of speech is memorized. Memorized speeches are generally less than 5 minutes long. It can be very difficult to memorize more than that. Memorized speeches are often seen at wedding toasts, award acceptances, and other short speeches. It can also be helpful to memorize a portion of a speech, such as an anecdote or joke, so that goes smoothly as part of a larger speech. Even if you do memorize your speech, it can be helpful to have note cards on hand. And if you forget where you're at or forget what you've memorized, never apologize to your audience. Just take a breath and move on.
We have impromptu speaking. Impromptu speaking is done the day of without any form of memorization. This generally occurs in class settings where you're asked a single question if you are forefront knowledge of that particular subject. There is no previous research. It is a little more difficult as you are on the spot and having to work from memory. And this is much more appropriate for a casual audience. And lastly, we have extemporaneous speaking.
Extemporaneous speaking is the type of speaking that we are learning in this class. Extemporaneous speaking uses an outline, generally an MLA style. This allows the speaker an outline to refer to while also allowing a fluid delivery and maintaining more audience eye contact. This allows the most flexibility of any of the written styles. The speaker can adapt their speech based on audience feedback, and with practice, this should sound very natural. This speech style requires the speaker to practice their speech to ensure that their outline is not being used as a crutch. It is very helpful to write a full sentence outline and then reduce that to just speaking notes as you practice. Speaking notes follow an outline, but it is important to choose key words that work for you. As you can see, there are many styles of speech delivery suited to different settings and types of speeches. With practice, an experienced public speaker can use any of these styles, and using audience analysis will help us to know which style is correct for our setting. And with that, I thank you.
Thank you.